Hi, my name is Mark and this is the September showcase for the Service Desk Single Engineer Group. Our goal is to provide a complete customer support solution that integrates with the GitLab ecosystem and brings customers, support staff, and developers closer together. Thank you for all the valuable feedback on the custom email address feature so far. We realized that setup varies heavily depending on the service provider that you use. So as a starting point, we added a complete step-by-step walkthrough guide to the documentation for Google Workspace. In the last showcase, I talked about next focus areas, and one of them is automation for service desk issues, or issues in general, using the GitLab-triage gem in scheduled pipelines. Because the software already exists, we're planning to do a blog post series and some video material on how to set up GitLab-triage using CI/CD pipelines. We'll provide examples so you get an idea of what the system is capable of, so you can apply it to your own business and workflow needs. The first post will cover the concept and the basic setup. We'll continue with a success story and probably do other posts about specific topics. The first post is in the making, but it's not finished yet. Half a year ago, I proposed to move email ingestion from a separate process called Mailroom right into the GitLab application using scheduled Sidekick worker jobs. I'm happy to announce that a first version of a blueprint, so a software design document, of that proposal has been merged. We use this workflow to drive evolution of our architecture. These documents are always a work in progress. Feel free to check it out and leave a comment on the meta issue. For the custom email address feature, I needed a beta feature maturity badge in the front end and realized we don't have a shared component for this. Together with product design, we added a shared component for beta and experiment so that team members can easily reuse them. Next up is an update to the pajamas documentation. Then we also fixed two bugs. When you draft a comment on an issue that has external participants, like a service desk issue, you'll get a hint right below the editor that the external participants will be notified of that comment. In some situations, that hint was also visible when no notifications would be sent. Then we received a few email processing errors due to a missing check in the handler code. That has been fixed now. In the goals section, we successfully released custom email addresses in 16.4, and for 16.5, I'd like to release another small feature and get familiar with next focus areas and build a roadmap to move forward. That's it for today. Take care and see you soon.